bake my spring rolls. Oh, sorry. First time attempt to bake my sausage rolls. So hopefully it tastes nice. Hey, darling.
So he wants me to hold the piggy here.
I hope it's nice.
Of course it is, darling. Thank you.
Everyone, welcome to my life in Australia. See all these tomatoes? This is all from our garden. I just picked it this morning. Kapipitas ko lang siya. Tingnan nyo, nahinugan na ako. They've gone ripe quickly. And I still have some in the fridge because the weather is heating up. See? Then I picked some spring onions because I'm making some spring rolls. So everything is blooming. Everything is growing really, really nice. So I already water the plants. Look at all my grapes now. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Wow. They are so thick and bushy. Look. Huh? Look at all that. Wow. And the tomato, our Snoopy is growing okay. I removed some worms or caterpillars yesterday, and more of our bichuelas coming up. Here I planted some more, so that should come up properly. And look at all the tomatoes again. Those are the one that's been damaged. Already na damaged na yan ng caterpillars. Oh my god, I missed on this. I didn't see this. Okay, I'll pick that later on. Ayun, no? Because I already picked a few and then bag the rest again. Oh wow. I bagged this, but I didn't wrap it properly. Look, it's still showing on one side. And any opening, the mouse or caterpillar will get there. Anyway, so I miss taking this out. I didn't see this one. Let's see. I think on this tree there's about 3 or 4 trees growing. And let's check out our watermelon. I think I could take this out from here now. Oh my god. It's growing on the... Oh god, no. You can't do that. So, there you go. And the sweet potato I planted the other day. Look, it's coming up. I also planted some okra. So, anyway, planting is just like rotation. You know, summer, winter. You think about what you're gonna plant on summer. Kung anong ilalagay nyo na halaman. Over there, nagtanim ako ng okra. So, everything is going well. Even the Singapore guava. Look at that. At kahapon, nagpa-house blessing na nga ako. So, na-bless na ang aming grotto. Na-bless na yung aming house. So, I'm so happy. So, ayan, na-bless na ang aking grotto in our house. And on this side, everything is growing really nicely. Yung aking mandarin, I think this year, magbibigay siya ng quite a few bunga. Kasi bata pa to eh. It doesn't produce enough. So, that's it. Oh, ng container para paglagyan ng tomato. At ipapasok natin sa loob na ng bahay. you know, some of them are too ripe. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, kung hindi na siya pwede sa salad, pinipreser ko na lang. So I can use it for cooking sinigang or anything that needs tomato sa pagluluto. Kita nyo naman yan, no? Mahal yata ng kilo ng kamatis. So, I bought 3 trees as well from Bunnings. They all died. It seems like every trees I buy in Bunning, they just die. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Sayang lang yung pera. So, ayan. Pasok na natin at ako'y gagawa ng lumpia. Dahil merong humiling na maghahanda siya. Ang nagustuhan niya yung lumpia ko. So, gagawa natin siya ng lumpia. I already prepare it. So, ibabalot na lang natin. Mainit sa labas. Hey, welcome to Maris Life in Australia. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Coventry. Kasi nagmamadali akong maghanap ng bagoong at saka spring rolls wrapper. Mukha yata nagkakaroon ng hindi ako makahanap ng bagoong. So, eto, kakain ako ngayon ng kway chow. Ewan ko kung ang lasa nito. Binili ko dyan sa The Big Mama sa Coventry. Tingnan mo ha, nag-order ako ng steam rice. Hindi dumating yung steam rice. Nakakainis ha. Pero nauna pa yung kway chow. Anyway, kakain muna mi. And see how I feel. Saka muna ako. Then after this, pagka okay yung katawan ko, tutuloy ako sa Filipino shop. At tingnan natin kung makakahanap ako doon ng bagoong. Dahil 3 na ang napuntahan ko na walang tindang bagoong. So, kakain muna ako. Yung sino ba naman ang hindi mainis niyan? Nalimutan nilang iserve yung rice ko. Nalimutan ibigay yung container takeaway ko. I have to go all the way there. Stand there and wait. Para lang makuha ko itong mga in-order ko na hindi nila na-serve. Tuloy, naglangaw yung pagkain ko. Nakakainis. Anyway, kakain na muna ako. Kaya na-separate ko yung kalahati kasi hindi ko ito makakain lahat. Yeah, ang takeaway containers ngayon, ayan. Box cardboard. Hindi na plastic. Okay lang yung kway chow. Hindi masyadong masarap compared dun sa pinupuntahan namin sa malapit sa Cottesloe. May food court doon. Doon masarap. Ito okay lang. Kasi meron talagang yung pag nagprepara ng kway chow. Nandun yung lasa. This one, kway chow lang. Niluto lang. I'm baking some shortbread. Huh? Look at that. Spot the difference. Spot the difference. Ayan. It's been a while since nag-bake ako. It's been a while since I baked some shortbread. So, this time, ayan. So, nakopya ko lang to sa Facebook. May nag-advertise. So, that's it. Kayahin natin. So, ipapasok muna natin to saglit na saglit sa fridge para lang tumigas ng konti. And then, we'll bake it in the oven. At pakita ko sa inyo later on kung ano na ang kinahin na natin. Tignan nyo naman ang messy ng aking kitchen na naman. Diyos ko. Kanina pa ako prepara luto ng luto. Pati yung in-order na spring rolls ng kaibigan ng anak ko. Here is my shortbread. It's done. Ang sarap. At saka hindi siya masyadong matamis. Very good. Medyo brown yung iba. It doesn't matter. I like it brown. I like it a little bit more cooked. Madudurog.